All right, hey guys, this is Jason with FCN4U. I want to do a quick overview of how do you get around on this website. So the very first thing I want to talk about is the home page. As you can see, each one is very similar to YouTube or Rumble, where you have a featured image, the title of your post, the short description of your post, the user ID, and the category. You also see the number of likes, dislikes, comments, the number of views that this post has, and the shares that this post has. Okay, you can go into a post just by clicking on the post. You don't have to be a member to read and click and share posts. Okay, and then on the very bottom down here, you can actually share this post as long as you have an account on other social media. You can share this post and it will render the featured image and the metadata for this. You'll see who created the post down here, right here, and then you can follow them if you like their content. You can like, dislike, comment on it, and that's what this is down here, comment, and then you can actually share the posts, okay? And then up here, you're going to see the category that this post is in, the short description with hashtags, okay? That's kind of important. The main title, and then you're going to see if this is local content, it would show the local address for this post. Right now, this is just a United States post, and they could have just turned that off completely. And then you'll see the date of the post right here. Now, this is a back arrow that gives you where you left off. You can go back to it. It's a little different than the back arrow for the browser. Using this allows you to go back to where you were. So if you're in somebody's account, you can go right back to their account and without having to go search for them again. That's a very handy feature. Now you can click on the profile of the person. So if I click on Badlands, you go right into Badlands. Now that's not the only way you can get to them. You can, on the left-hand side, you'll have profiles, and you can get to all of the profiles, everybody that's registered within FCN4U. And then you can actually just type in BAD and it will search and find Badlands and get directly to where you were, where you just left off. Okay, so now I'm going to review the account, somebody else's account, not my own, but somebody else's account. And you can look at their account information on what's public and not public, and get that information. You can see all the posts that they've created that is live on the website. Okay, obviously they've done one category, Badlands, but you can see all of the posts. Now if you want to click on one of them and go into it and watch their video or look at their links or anything they have inside there and for what they're doing, and they can see that they have a particular product that they're promoting. So this is an image that is clickable. Okay, you will see the title, the post, the catalog. We covered that already, and then you can back out. Okay, and goes right back to where you left. The gallery is a great way to get organic search. Okay, so these are global images that allows other people to use this image in their post, which is nice. When you click on it, you're going to get the stats of the image. You know, it's global, who created it, what hashtags they're using, how many clicks, and how many posts that they're linked to. Okay, right now this doesn't show posts, but that's coming. You can also see friends, their followers and following. And then if they had any names in here, you can actually follow those people from this profile right here. And then ads, this is if they had any ads that were pushed or public, that you'll be able to see them all right here. Okay, that's coming soon in the future. So if you click on the logo again, you go back to the home page and you'll be able to see this. Now these are the main category lists, and it's very extensive. You can keep searching through here and find tons and tons, like movies or entertainment and so forth. And like I said before, every post has their own category, and when they create finance, you can click on that and see everything in finance. It's just like coming up here and go to finance right there, okay, or gaming, same thing. Now here's a very powerful tool. If you go up here and you type hashtag, as long as you have a hashtag inside your post, and let me look at devolution. Okay, I typed in devolution, and you can see here devolution has 10 posts, 1 media. You're going to see videos in here, you're going to see podcasts in here, you're going to see events in here, and you're going to see short stories and ads all up here and that is the of how that category is tied to all of those different areas. Okay, so when you click on it, you're going to show all of the posts that has devolution on it. Okay, and see how this tracked. You'll be able to click on the images and see all the images, and then you can see all the stats. When you click on it, you're going to go right into the stats of that image and see what's going on. Now, if you go right back where you left off, you can see all of the videos that has that devolution tied to it. Okay, and then you'll see podcasts, you'll see short stories, you'll see events, and you'll see ads also in here in the future. So that's very, very powerful. Okay, I want to say how important that is for people to find content organically. Okay, one more important piece here, well, actually quite a bit more, but I want to talk to you about the local search. When you click on local search, and when you fill out your profile, you fill in your county, your country, your state, your county, and zip code. When you click it, you're going to have local content show up. Okay, so when you click it, you'll have local content like this shows up. And so based upon this address, you're going to be able to look in here and see this address is the same as this address. Okay, so if you're in Iredell in Statesville, every post that was created would show up right here. Okay, underneath your local content. Okay, right there when you do your search. All right, so going back to here, you're going to get notifications. This is an actual coming soon, and we're going to have notifications there. Whenever somebody created a post, like or shared, you're going to be able to have notifications also. You also receive an email too. So on the right-hand side is account. You got posts, comments, and I'm going to cover comments real quick before I go into posts. So if you happen to be on the home page and you go into, I must have a filter turned on, refresh, and I go into here and I comment at the bottom of a post down here. When I comment on a post and I'm inside my area, I can actually see all my comments in one location. And then when you respond to a comment, I've already responded to all mine. When you respond to a comment, it goes away, and then you have 0 comments left to respond to. You don't want to have to go into every one of your posts that you created, because that could take forever to go find where all your comments are. So we have a great way to manage comments. Okay, now I'm in posts right now in my profile called posts, and if you look at the right hand side, you're going to see a pencil, a hide button, and a boost button. You're going to have analytics in the future of this post, and you're going to have a delete button for that post. Right now we're working on that, and that'll be future installments that when we get that. But if you click on the pencil icon, it opens up the actual post, and then you can edit the body of the post, you can edit the featured image, or you could change any of the information. Remember, this is your content. You're responsible for it. So you can do anything you want with this content, okay? Except for if you put bad content up here, we will have AI that will go against terms of service that will not show that post. And when you go into here, you're going to have a blocked post, okay, section when that comes in, okay? But if you want to hide a post and you're still saying, oh, I made a mistake, I don't have time to work on it, I don't want it to be on the home page, so you can click on that button and it will add it directly to the hide section. It will not be in the public area, just in the hidden area. That means you can go back and do your editing of that post at a later date. You can boost that post, or you can get your analytics on that post. You want to unhide it and bring it back to the home page of the website, and there you go. Now it's back in your posts right there, okay? If you're not done with all of your posts, you can have draft posts. When you're creating a post up here, you can go draft post. This is all your boosted posts. This will be your calendar for all of your posts. You will also have a new calendar up here where you'll be able to see your events, and when you sign up for an event, it'll add it to your personal calendar. You will have your analytics, okay? And analytics is going to be very extensive because you need to know how well this post is performing, how many traffic you're going, and make a decision. If I'm making money on this post, maybe I should boost that post so I can get more traffic, get bigger reach, and get more followers. That's the whole intention of this website, okay? Up here, this looks a little busy because we have the home page category list, and this is the the category of my posts. We're going to get rid of this up here so it's not so busy, but when you click on it, you'll be able to see your own posts that you've created inside of here. Okay. All right. So going back to gallery, if you go to gallery, we're going to remove all and just have images and videos because it creates a performance when you're trying to combine images and videos together. So we're getting rid of that and just have images. And what these images are is all of the images that you've created and uploaded, but it also gives you the stats of the image. You'll be able to know how many clicks it's received, what posts that this image is tied to, what hashtags are tied to this image, and it gives you all kinds of analytics to know how your image is performing, and it brings organic traffic back to you. Okay, when you have your own image that is global, okay, and that means other people can put this in their posts and you'll be able to link directly to their posts. Pretty cool. And now you can upload images, you can look at all your videos, you can upload your own videos, you can have families, personals, or global. Okay, and then also your followers. You have my followers, my following, my follow requests, my follow request sent, and family members. Okay, and then you can see where you are or delete the following or vice versa. This is totally up to you on how people follow you. Okay, you also will have ads, which is coming soon, but this is where you're going to be able to create your own ads, and it'll have a GUI interface that has ability to create your own ads with templates. And then you'll be able to boost your ads and give other people the opportunity to put your ad in their post. And what that boost does, gives them the opportunity to make money. And same with you within FCN4U. You have support. So if there's a problem, you can create a new ticket and send it to our support ticket, and we can address that and get you the support that you need to do. Notes are coming soon. This allows you to create notes. So to get prepared for creating content, you want to create notes and store things in here. And there'll be a set of categories in there that you'll be able to store your notes into. Notification is and any open issues that we're currently working on, future installments, and closed issues. We're working on updating this soon. Okay. And then payments is going to be how much money have you made, how much money you've sent out, how much money to use for boosting, stuff like that. This is all your financial information that will be in here. All right, well, that gives you a good idea of FCN4U and how it kind of works. I went kind of fast because there's a lot to cover in these, and you want to create content because it's going to help you build your business, help you drive more traffic back to you, and it actually is an alternative, and I'm going to call an alternative to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, and Fox News, CNN News, because it brings the power back to the people at the local level. Okay, so you got local content, global content, worldwide content. People all over the world will be creating content, and then you'll be able to filter in and find what you're looking for, no matter if it's your content or somebody else's content. All right, I want to close this call because I don't want to make it too long. I appreciate your time, and I look forward to talking or seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.